Hello everyone, welcome back to AERO Hub. So today we will be starting a new lecture series on introduction to drone technologies, and it will be similar kind of an extensive lecture like the aircraft structures which we have put in the channel about 3 years ago. So we will be learning in depth about drone as well as unmanned aerial vehicles in this entire lecture series. So what is a drone? Drone is a unmanned aerial system. It is called a dynamic remotely operated navigation equipment. So this is the full form of the drone. Uh, so this you should be aware what is a drone. There are a lot of other kind of abbreviations are going on, but this is exact abbreviations of drone, and it is a category of an unmanned aerial system or unmanned aerial vehicle, which is a UAV or UAS. So basically in this course we'll be studying about the quadcopter, tricopter, then hexacopter. Then also we'll be discussing about a fixed wing drone, then the gliding drones, and we'll be discussing the drone electronic, the different kinds of sensors. So I'll give you an introduction about what all things you will be learning in this course. So in the chapter 1, we will go to the introduction, basically the classification of the drone and the main structure of the drone, like what are the components and the functionalities of each component and the operation principle and the basic dynamics of a quadcopter, what are the different kind of motion of a quadcopter, how it is achieved, and the application. And in chapter 2, we will go in depth to the drone stability and control. Uh, what are the different forces acting on a drone and the axis system and different maneuvers of the drone, the equations of motion of the drone. These all things will be covered. So this is not it's not a like a complete aeronautical or aerospace kind of derivation. It is going to be. You'll be discussing only a few important points. And in chapter 3 we will be learning more about the different kind of sensors. You are aware that this drone is having numerous kind of application, and for each and every application there will be a specific sensors being used. So we will be discussing about the sensors which are going to be used in every kind of drone, and also specialized sensors which are used in different kind of drones. So we will be going for the pressure sensor, accelerometer sensor, right gyros, position sensor, GPS, how these particular sensors are worked, and some kind of examples of each kind of sensors. And in chapter 4, we will be discussing about the fixed wing and gliding drones, and basically it is the similar kind of an aircraft. Like we will discuss about the basic forces acting on the fixed wing drone, the components, its maneuvers, and we will discuss about the basic aerodynamics, lift and drag equation, and gliding flight principle. These are the things we are going to discuss on chapter number 4. And chapter 5, we will be discussing about the drone rules and regulations that is been active in India, and we will be discussing about drone rules 2021 by DGCA, which is the Director General of Civil Aviation. So this is the summary of the things which are going to be covered in this entire lecture series. So hope it will be useful for you. So kindly share this video with your friends, and I really understand that this drone technology is evolving in India, and there are a lot of universities nowadays having this drone technology as a particular subject, or in some universities they are like IIT Kanpur, they are having a specialized MTech course curriculum on drone technologies, and there are universities in North India which provide specialized BTech degree course in autonomous system, not drone exactly. It's a part of autonomous system. So thank you for listening. Take care.